Friends, check it out. We have got a massive upgrade to the Tinkercad Keep the Chain Going project. So let's get cracking. So this is a massive Tinkercad collaborative project. We now have 133 chain links that have been shared by different Tinkercad users. I found this project back in 2023, but I joined it too late and I did not find the original user until this week. Check it out. If we do F to fit view, the very first link was created by Dragon Girl. I joined in back when I reacted to Eva Gawn's project, but this week because of Copy and Tinker, I tracked it back to Dragon Girl, and are you ready for this? Because of users correctly using Copy and Tinker, I could get back to an awesome copy of the design that had more than 20 links that could be added. Of course, since it's set to Copy and Tinker, I gave a reaction, and now Dragon Girl and I have added those links to the project. Just one other quick note, if you want to see all of Dragon Girl's amazing designs, you can simply click on her profile. These are the most recent fun projects. One of my favorite things, though, is to switch to staff picks. Check it out. Almost 10,000 reactions. You can also see how it went from an idea to a final project. And are you ready for this? If you click View in 3D, holy mackerel, it actually loads. That is fantastic. One more huge shout out to Dragon Girl for the idea, and friends, let's check out the new designs. So the latest one that I received via the HLMT23 tag was from Tonk Recan, and then we added all the new links real quickly. We've got one from Shine Dragon, Sirius, Even C, Jaden, Lay Purple Cat, Sapphire, Twisted Google. We've got a fancy one from Attila Khan Karan, Captain Oma, Jord Plier, Blade Tongue, Slipknot, Beanie Girl Plays. This one I cannot quite read. I think it says Benny, but I'm not sure. League of Legends, X-Reaper Savage, Firestar Hero, Curios Tinker, Deathstroke Merc, Pixel Master Dev, King of Random One, a pack of salty lemons, Emerald 13, E-Ragon Shade Slayer, and finally, Free Dragon. Once again, 133 amazing projects, all in the same design. How cool is that? Friends, of course, if you want to join in, there will be a brand new tutorial coming out today showing you an efficient way to make a link. Friends, the huge reminder I do want to have is stay away from parts that have extra things dangling off them. It makes it much more difficult as we combine all these projects together. As I close, I'm going to show you that I do have notes in here. These notes give you information about the project. Notice on the corners, that's where you can see that I have counted them. You can double check to make sure that I don't have duplicates. You can copy and tinker this project so you can zoom in and check them all out. I will let you know that they are all saved as shapes though. That is the secret sauce that's allowing us to combine all these projects together. Friends, as I wrap up, a quick peek at the new HLMT23 shares. Don't forget you can always search this with bit.ly/new HLMT23 or just search HLMT23. So many amazing designers are sharing awesome content. Of course, friends, whenever you add that HLMT23 tag, I'll be here to give you a reaction. A quick reminder about Tinker Hunt 2024. A fun scavenger hunt that you can copy and tinker. Of course, don't forget to give it a reaction, and this tutorial shows how you can share your results as a Tinkercad project so I can check it out. Friends, one last massive shout out to Dragon Girl. Absolutely love your Tinkercad design skills, and it's so cool that you created this fantastic project that the entire world can join in. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, every time you hit that like button, share a video, add a comment, or hit subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.